are we radical? Because we preach a way of life that is called Islam, because what we practice is different than many other people, because we dress differently, because we actually have our own, regulations and governed by the legislature with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and is documented in Quran. Because if we are radical, right, why are we actually not committing crimes against humanity? Why are we not actually bombing other countries? Why are we not actually bombing other people's lands? Why are we not actually occupying other people's land? It's the other way around. Right? So who are the radicals? The people in the Muslim community, or the people who are outside of Muslim community. They have been questioning the state of affairs. And there was a person who was a proud Zionist. They called me a radical, a person from Tehran, which I'm not. And they called me an extremist. And I don't belong to this country, Canada. Who actually give this right to you? Even when you're a descendant of those early settlers who are early occupiers of this country, which is the actual land of indigenous community. They were the actual owners of the land. And your forefathers actually occupied that land. Then you are the descendant of them. You become the owner of this country. And then you call me a nasty extremist immigrant. So messed up. So think about it. Radicals are the people who actually hate other people because of the differences. So think again when you call anybody a radical. And if somebody is speaking up against genocide, raping of women, and the extreme level of war crimes, they're not radicals. If you support a genocide, then you are. May God bless you towards the light that you really badly need.